We are in beautiful nature. We feel comfortable in nature. Self-reference can help everybody's body back to the nature. Self-reference medicine breaks signs of future medicine, European patent and Taiwan patent. The break technology of future medicine can help self-environment cleaning in the body, improve metabolism, open up the meridians, re-establish the internal environment, improve self-healing, improve autoimmunity. David Lu and Corporation, an establishment of cell-resonance medicine, invent, manufacture, market biowave reflection wearing devices in the world. By use of biowave reflection wearing devices, self-resonance medicine can help everybody to be healthy. I was born in 1952. This is me in 2010. I was puffy face, easily tired, powerless, high blood pressure, brain fog, dry eye, frequent blinking, dry mouth, often hoarse throat, back pain, shoulder pain, mild diabetes, tuna belly. The right palm often numb. The right upper arm is weak, frequent urination, heavy steps. By use of magic paste plus magic bed, self-resonance help my body back to the nature. This is me in 2020. This is me in 2021. This is me in 2022. Magic sticker function. Spinal balance immediately. Soreness improve in 3 minutes. Double the vitality immediately. Fatigue recovery. The old woman walk need crutch. Apply magic sticker. No crutch need. Magic paste function. Cleaning inside body, improve spinal balance, improve metabolism, improve high blood pressure, increase vitality, improve foot tendons inflammation, improve sexual performance. Magic bed function. Improve waist and back pain, improve metabolism, exclude stock stool, make the meridians through, increase immune function. It's also a life-saving bed. Gastric ulcer, myocardial infarction, and pneumonia. Fix magic bed on the relative position. The patient can be improved immediately. Magic fat function. Improve brain blood flow, activate the brain cells, improve headache, avoid stroke, avoid Alzheimer, adjust brain waves, improve sleeping, improve depression, improve bipolar disorder. Magic eye mask function, activate the eye cell, improve blue light and UV light damage, improve eye fatigue, eye bags and dark circles, get through tear ducts blockage, improve dry eye and blink frequently. Our vision, magic sticker become essential for everybody. Magic paste plus magic belt help everybody healthy freedom. Magic hate protect people free of stroke and Alzheimer. Magic eye mask help everybody happy use mobile home. We hope to cooperate with health industry platform, beauty and weight loss institution, elderly care center, home care service, post-operation care, medical research institution, target consumer market, remove soreness, 3 minutes to improve soreness by use of magic sticker, regain use, 3 months to regain use, to use magic pace. Stroke and dementia patient. Avoid stroke and dementia by use of magic head. Cardiovascular patient. Avoid myocardial infarction by use of magic belt. Recovery after surgery. 3 times faster recovery from surgery by use of magic belt. Chronic disease. Get rid of the entanglement of subhairs by use of magic pace plus magic belt. Long-term illness and terminal cancer. Thank you.